In this episode of Viral Rewind, we're doing a quick video on the Virus.Win9x.Matrix virus. Now, I don't actually have a sample of the actual Matrix virus, but I do have a sample of a DOS executable. We're going to look at it a little while, showing one of the payloads of it, and we'll look at another additional payload as well. So if someone got the Matrix virus on their Win9x system, and again, it's only for Win9x, it will not work on any NT-based operating systems, it will install itself memory resident in Windows as a VXD driver. That way it gives it disk access, and will then infect any Windows portable executables, .exes, including .scrs. And it will do it in a polymorphic method. That way it kind of creates a different generation of the Matrix virus every time it infects a new file. And when it infects, it will encrypt its code, which then it can call within that program to, again, reinstall itself as a VX driver on a new system if it's not already resident. So that's how the infection of it works. And as I say, it will infect executable.com files, but it does something a little different with those, again, which we'll see. So there are two payloads, again, one of them being what it does with the .com DOS executables, but it also does one with the Windows Registry. So on the 6th of April, regardless of the year, it will go into the Windows Registry and add a new value within the H key current user software Microsoft Windows current version policies Explorer. And what it will do, I'll show just a little thing for clarity. So when we bring up our Control-Alt-Delete Task Manager, we can say we have our shutdown button, which is usable there. And if we go to the Start menu, we can, of course, also shut down Windows through there. But on the 6th of April, it will put a new string value in here called NoClose. And then what it will do is it'll set that to 1. And what that does is it's a policy setting for Explorer so that you can't terminate Explorer. So if we close this out, go to Control-Alt-Delete now, you see that our shutdown is no longer allowed. And if we go to the Start menu and try to shut down, we get an error message. The operation has been canceled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So again, on the 6th of April, Matrix adds that string value to the registry for the policy settings in Explorer, and then you can't shut down the system regardless if you use the Control-Alt-Delete method through Task Manager or the Start menu. So that's one payload. The other payload has to do with what it does to DOS executables. Now the sample that we have here is actually an infected win.com file from another version of the operating system from another country, because did you see the error message is talking about the country command? So this is obviously from an international version of Windows 95 from what I can, based on the data contained within that file. So we're going to change this to July 7th because that's when the payload runs, and it also, of course, lends credence to why it's called the Matrix DOS virus. So when we open this now, it starts printing this out. Wake up, Neo. The Matrix has you. And then after about another minute or so, it will display its little Win9x Matrix code. But before it gets to that, I'm going to find a media file here. Let's play Canyon MIDI. And the reason I'm going to do this is because one of the things the Matrix virus does here with the .com file is it will push a halt command out to the processor, which halts all processor activity. So everything on the system is going to come to a stop, and we'll know that because of the hung up note here on this MIDI playing. So you get to enjoy the Canyon MIDI file for a little while. And there comes the printout. And we should get the halt command to the processor. And as you see, we've got the notes hung up on the MIDI playback from the sound card. I cannot move the mouse, cannot change anything on the keyboard. In fact, cannot do anything because when you halt the processor, everything stops. You have to do a power cycle on the computer or it's a hard reset with the button. Let it force it off here. And forces it off. So that's pretty much all there is to the Win9x Matrix virus.